Welcome to Library Kit Unboxed, where we unbox kits at the North Dakota State Library. My name is Tammy Kruger. I'm the literacy specialist, and the kit we're going to unbox today is the magnetic fractions. So here's what's in the kit. You have 3 books about fractions. You have your folder with your information and your statistic sheets. You have these worksheets of how to break down different types of fractions. So for example, on this, it says to build 5/6 in at least 2 different ways. And it gives you options to choose from, okay? And then you have 4 sets of the actual fraction tiles. Now the fraction tiles come both in circular, or pie-shaped, I suppose, and rectangular. All right. So the point behind this kit is to, of course, help kids with fractions. All right. It is geared towards ages 8 and above. And it's just to kind of help them with the manipulative side of it, right? Because you have the more hands-on stuff going on here. Plus, it's just kind of fun to build. If you're looking for more information about this kit, you can go to our STEM Kits LibGuide under Programming STEM, or you can go to Polaris. Thank you for joining us for Library Kit Unboxed. Until next time, happy learning, reading, and creating.